Alright, welcome to the New Crank Collective. We want to make sure you understand how to navigate around the site and also understand some of the basic features of the site. We're viewing this right now in Firefox. We also recommend Google Chrome and Safari to make sure that you can take advantage of the new look and features. So first of all, we'll talk about navigation. Up at the top is our main menu system. This will always be at the top and you can pretty much navigate anywhere you'd like to go from here. As far as tracks and trails, this is where you would browse, add a track, or build and view networks. You can take a look at what's going on in the industry through what's going on with our product reviews, and take a look at news and articles that also appear here on the home page. You can also get involved in the community, take part in our forums, and search for other users. In addition, we have buttons at the top of each page that complement that page, so it may be additional functions on the page or a way to navigate to pages related to the current page you're on. Here we put a few that most people are looking for on the home page, including the button to create a profile. Next, over here in the right corner is your specific menu. So first we'll log in with our username, which is new from our last site. We used to use email addresses, so now it's username and password. And it'll log me in and keep me on the same page, a great new feature to the site. Once you've logged in, you can notice that this menu does change. These are some links that help you get around to your specific content, your profile, your settings, and the tracks that you've loaded. So that's the basic navigation. Now let's talk a little bit about the functionality. Crank Collective provides lots of new functions. First, of course, is a brand new profile to help you keep track of all your information and keep track of the content that you've put on the site, including tracks. Of course, the main thing is taking a look at tracks and trails. So if I'm looking at all the trails that I've loaded, I can view them right here on our search by map page. A great new feature. Two ways to search by tracks: by map and by city and state. Of course, we also have the track pages for each track or trail in our database. We provided a great new page to interact and explore the trail, get to know it the best you can. We have two versions, the View Track in 2D, which is the overhead regular Google map, and the View Track 3D, which is our Google Earth setup. Great features here, a lot of interactive 3D tours, the ability to check out your trails in all new ways. If you wanted to log this track, you could also do that here. You would click this button, it would be entered into your own log, and you could keep track of your statistics. Take a look at what's going on. I did a little bit of riding in April, and here on the 2nd I rode a great trail out here, one in Colorado and one in Tempe, Arizona. So lots of new features here. Make sure you click around, get to know the site, and please ask any questions or email us if you have any problems. Thanks a lot. Take care.